Enhance the ServiceNow end-user experience by integrating the KA video library. The digital workplace needs more than just giving employees online access to Office applications. A key challenge is helping users stay productive as they switch between apps up to 10 times an hour. Frequent Microsoft updates only add to the complexity. We stay ahead so users don't fall behind. The Knowledge Accelerators video library effortlessly syncs with ServiceNow, offering more than 50,000 how-to videos and 5,000 training aids. This provides the industry's largest AI-curated self-help library. By increasing self-service, enhance retention, and improve productivity. Without knowledge, there is no AI. Once imported into ServiceNow, users can locate content by doing a keyword search, browsing the knowledge library, or utilize the AI-powered virtual agent for quick answers and learning new functions. Our solutions provide users with a short video tutorial supplemented by step-by-step text instructions. When users need to learn more, they can browse content by utilizing the extensive taxonomy structure. The Skill Track library provides a comprehensive set of mini-courses. Skill tracks take about 30 minutes to complete and are designed to foster learning by doing. Lessons offer short, focused demonstrations, while activities and brief assessments encourage users to apply their learning along the way. All are designed to enhance skills and improve productivity. The video library covers both simple and complex features, and it is easy to access, so users will come back for more. So what are you waiting for? Contact us to discover how we can increase self-help, support user adoption, and improve user productivity, all at low cost and easy to deploy.